If there is any doubt about the performing arts can turn lives around, the principal at the Quarrie High School in St. Andrew wants to dispel it. Talbot Ware does so by showing off the talents at his school and explaining how students in the arts are doing much better academically after getting involved in the program. Here's TVJ's Wright with that story.
Quarrie High in Harborview, St. Andrew is big on the performing arts. The principal, Talbot Ware, says the students look forward to attending sessions daily. He says it also gives them an avenue to express themselves in different areas.
Performing arts or co-curricular activities that include the performing arts is equally as important as the academics.
The use of performing arts to change lives for the better is somehow still in doubt, but not for Mr. Ware. He says there's evidence at his school that it works.
Many of the students here, when they came in grade 7, they were very unsure of what to do with their lives. However, quite a number of students have joined the performing arts and their behaviors have improved significantly. And as a result of the improvement in behavior, the academic performances have also improved.
Rudolph McFarlane is the performing arts teacher, and he's excited about the positives he has been witnessing in his students. Past students are brought in to help. 2 were part of the Dancing Dynamite program. One of the past students, Hassan McDermott, says he too was a troublemaker at school, but when he got involved in dancing, he changed.
Dancing was my passion, and dancing was everything. So attending the class, it kind of gave me that mindset and that determination and that focusness to move towards dancing and like get yourself out of violence, because the spotlight is on you. When the spotlight is on you, it's like no more violence.
Knowing these students, they're from troubled inner city community, and so far that I've known is that the only means to get to some of these kids are the means of performing arts, where we use their God-given talents, try to enhance it.
A grade 9 student who admits he can be very disruptive in class says being a part of the performing arts helps.
It's not a good thing to disrupt class, because when you disrupt class, you learn less. So you go stop disrupt class and start focus on your work. When you focus on your work, it can become something good in life.
Mr. McFarlane says the hardest part is getting some parents to buy into the idea that the arts work.
Some parents don't really believe in the performing arts. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to change all of that at Quarrie High School by putting the performing arts in subject area.
The principal wants the Ministry of Education to pay more attention to the performing arts.
I do believe that in performing arts that the Ministry of Education should pay special attention to this area and to put more funding in these activities.
Wright, TVJ News.